Hey guys, babsomotden here. So today's video is about how to claim Oraimo warranty. A lot of you guys have been asking me,
how do I claim my Oraimo warranty? It's not working well. I have an issue with my Oraimo product.
No problem, I got you covered on this one. And now before I start, please, if you are new here, just go down there, hit that red subscribe button and notification bell by the side so that I can get notified once I post a new video like this one. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. All right, the first thing I would say you should do is to try all possible means. Exhaust all possible means to fix it. I'm not saying you should open the earbuds or open the power bank. I'm just saying try and reset the earbuds. If you're having issue with your earbuds, try resetting it. I've made a couple of videos on that. You can check the description for a lot of them. And if it's a battery related issue like power bank, then I would say try and charge it off fully before you start using it. And now if you are having any other issue that is not mentioned or I don't know about, you can drop your comment. I will reply you. And if the problem or the issue is more than me, on a more serious note, if the problem or issue is more than what I can tell you to do something about, then you go to the next thing. The next thing to do is to gather everything in the pack. Pack everything, the manual, the extra air tips, whatever is inside the pack that comes along with it. Just pack everything together with your receipt and go to car care. They are not going to collect anything from you. They are not going to charge you for anything. You don't have the receipt. Maybe you bought it online. Then you should have your order number handy. The order number will always come with your order receipt online. You can check your email. You have your profile on Oraimo eShop website. You are going to see the order number there. You need that. That is very important. You need to take it there with you. There is always a nearby car care to your location. So if you don't know anyone around you, just go on Google your location and car care, and you are going to see the address. Go there with everything in the pack and with your receipt. Now you need this receipt because it is written at the back of the warranty that please keep your receipt. The terms and conditions of the warranty only applies to original purchase of Oraimo product. The warranty does not cover normal wear and tear or any damage caused by the misuse of products. Warranty is only limited to the core products. Cables and accessories included in the pack are not covered under warranty. All these are being explained there so that you can have an idea of what you are claiming. All right, for me, I don't have much issue with my Oraimo products. The first thing I do is just to charge them up and they are good. The only thing they are going to ask you are your details, your personal details like your name, your address, your phone number, and every other thing that they need to just know that you brought this thing here and they want to replace it for you. Now, if you spoil it by yourself, don't think they are going to replace it for you. But if this is factory issue or factory whatever, then they are going to replace it for you. They will tell you the time to come back and pick up your new product. For me, I've had issue just 2 times now and it was just fast. I've been there a couple of times just to see how they are doing like a spy. I've checked on them and I noticed that they are really replacing people product in case you have an issue. I hope this video puts a smile on your face. Please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you on the next video showing right on your screen. Bye for now. Peace.